Hello everyone, this is Michelle from Mash Plans, and um, sorry if my voice sounds a little weird and I'm kind of off because I tested positive for COVID a few days ago, and it just feels like a really bad sinus infection. Like my throat hurts and like I'm just super congested, but otherwise I'm kind of okay. I'm tired and stuff, but it's not that bad. But I really wanted to film this because I was able to snag the July Sterling Egg kit, and I've never purchased a full kit from her. I've only purchased like obviously the planners and a couple things here and there, a couple stickers, but this is the first time I actually received like a full kit, because I was able to see her newsletter and I clicked it really fast. So I kind of wanted to go over like setting up July and, you know, making my planner all pretty with you guys. So I already opened it because I just wanted to look inside of it and all that. So everything's kind of disorganized because I got it at my parents' house and then I brought it back to my house. But the girls and my husband are out for a minute, so I thought I'd film this and prep for July. Let me zoom in just a little bit. There we go. But guys, this is so pretty. The theme, I think she said, was like garden statues or something. But it reminds me of like, I don't know why. I'm getting like London feels, and London is my favorite city in the entire universe. And it's so beautiful. Like, look at that. I know a lot of you guys have probably watched the Sterling Ink video, so I won't go into like too in depth of like the kit and all that, but oh, her artwork is just gorgeous. Like, look at that abstract. And look at that. Look at the foiling. So pretty. But I wanted to kind of set up for July. Look at this. So I've never actually tipped anything into this planner yet, but here I can do like a quick run through. This is how my planner's looking so far. So I don't really decorate that much. I'm more of like a functional planner, but I do like stickers, obviously. So a lot of these stickers that you'll see probably actually are Sterling Ink because I was excited when I purchased this planner. I also ordered a couple stickers, so that's why I got some stickers. So we're going to decorate July a little bit, obviously, and then this is kind of a flip through of my weeklies. I have a couple shorts and I post on Instagram sometimes, but basically what I'm doing in my weeklies is kind of just drawing the lines. I ignore the hours usually and I just set each day up as like a vertical list kind of, where I'll put like affirmations and gratitude on the top, and then I'll put like important tasks and appointments here, and then I'll kind of just take notes throughout my day, weekly tasks, and then down here I'll usually track either what I'm eating, drinking, what my workouts are, stuff like that. Like every week is a little different and I'm still trying to figure out exactly how I want to use everything, but this is working out so great. I'm loving the Common Planner. I love that I have the freedom to just kind of do what needs to be done. Like this time I actually did kind of use it hourly a little bit because I had a bunch of meetings and interviews and stuff pop up, so that's why I was able to kind of use hourly, but for the most part I just use it day by day. Absolutely love it. So my plan is, I actually have read a lot of books this year, but I haven't actually filled out this. I kind of want to print out a chart and make it in Canva, but we'll do that. And then I have my home maintenance routine. I finally printed it out in B6 size. I love this maintenance routine. If you want it, I was thinking I would kind of create like an email list. So if you want to give me, I'll like create like an email thing and I can email it, because I think it's easier, because whenever I try and send someone the Canva link, it doesn't usually work for some reason. People have been having issues with it, so I'll just email it to you. Just let me know. And yeah, well, I'll figure that out for you guys. These are just some other things. These are my journal entries. That's that video that I did last time. I'll link it below. That video was really good, I think, for me too, just to like, how do people plan productively? Just some notes, some journaling prompts that I talked about in another video. And yeah, I wrote out some affirmations for myself. I created this really pretty summer bucket list. And yeah, so that's all just journaling, and now I have so many blank pages. So I'm thinking here I'm going to attempt to put in this thing, because today is the 28th, so I'm thinking I'll probably journal. We'll leave 2 pages just in case, and then we'll tip this in. So I thought it was B6 size, but I think it's slightly larger than B6 size. I think it's like slightly coming up tiny bit over, I think. So I'm going to go off camera, trim this just slightly, and then tip it in, and then we'll start decorating the July monthly and maybe some weeklies or something. We'll see. Okay, let's see. Yay, it dipped in. Awesome. Hopefully that works. If not, I do have the tape method, so if it doesn't work, that's fine. I can tape it in later. Okay, just kind of playing with some of these doodads to decorate my little pockets here. Yeah, so I want to decorate July monthly, which is here. So I don't really use my monthlies that much, honestly. Like, I really need to. Like, I put in some stuff, but I don't know, I don't take advantage of them as much as I probably should. Hold on, before I put this down, do I have one of those longer? I'm telling you, these stickers are so beautiful. Oh, there's 2 of this one. Oh, cool. Perfect. So I'm thinking maybe I'll do something like this and this here. Like, I kind of want to use this one for like the sidebar, but then I don't know where I'm going to put July. As you can see, I don't normally decorate, and now I'm like overthinking, because that's how I do. No, I definitely want July here. So pretty. Guys, I actually put a sticker down and I'm actually using my supplies. You know, whenever you like have really beautiful stuff and you don't want to use it, you just want to hoard it. I have a problem with that, but lately I've been getting a lot better because I don't let myself buy stuff anymore. I gave myself a limit and I haven't purchased pretty much anything planner related, any stickers, any washi in so long. Other than when I bought this planner, I bought a couple Sterling ink stickers. But other than that, I haven't like purchased anything. And so now I'm like, hey man, I actually spent the money, I'm gonna use it. Oh, I covered the little week number. Oh well, that's fine. And then I want to put this sticker here. So anyway, I was saying this reminds me of London, and I don't know why. I think it's like the gardens and the statues and stuff. So I've been to London twice in my life, and it is my dream to like one day just live there. But obviously, probably after the kids, you know, get married and live their own lives, maybe me and the husband can become expats. I don't know. Because I don't know, like I don't think I'd be able to raise my kids in a foreign country by myself. Like I rely pretty heavily on like my parents and stuff and on my husband's parents, but what are these for? Oh, it's a date sampler sticker sheet. Okay, well, this is a dated planner, so I don't need this. I like this. It's very minimal still, so I still have lots of room to write, although I don't normally write that much, honestly. But I like to keep things pretty minimal. And yeah, so I'm trying to think if there's any dates. So I have my husband's birthday. Let's put something cute and small there. These cute little tomato plants. That is so pretty. Kind of highlight that date. And then it's July 4th. I have both Thursday and Friday off from work, so that'll be really nice. We'll use one of these really pretty little flower stickers. Ugh, I got glue everywhere from when I tried to tip that in. I don't do plan with me's for the specific reason I'm not good doing things on camera. Okay, cool. I'm gonna stop messing with it because I think this is good. And I don't want to add a bunch of clutter just to add stickers. Okay. So, I think that should be good. Do you guys want me to do the next week with you guys, I guess? I can do that real quick. So, like I said, I'm pretty simple. I just take a pen and grab a ruler, and I literally just draw a very thin line for the weeks. And like I said, I ignore the hours, but if I do need the hours, they're still visible, which is what I really love about this planner. I love that she put them on. I love that she put the hours on the line, so that way you can like just ignore them if you want to, like I do, or you can use them. So really quick, while I'm on here, I was wondering if you guys had any, like, you know, questions about my planning style, or, you know, questions that you want to see. Maybe you want to see, like, how a certain cover looks, or how a certain planner looks in a certain cover. Like, now that I have this YouTube channel, if you ever are curious about things, just comment below and ask. And yeah, so like I said, I usually put a line at the top because I like to start my day with gratitude and affirmations, and I try and make sure that that's my focus. Sometimes I put a line here, but I don't really think I need one. I don't know why I do sometimes and sometimes I don't. I don't know why, but this line feels crooked. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it slightly went off. I wasn't paying attention when I put my ruler. But I put the line at the 10-hour mark, I guess, because I'm usually trying to sleep by 10 anyway. So even if I want to use the hours, 10, and then sometimes I do it at the 6 o'clock line, sometimes I do it at the 6:30 line. But this planner is really good about like doing enough show through without doing too much show through on the other side. So yeah. And like I said, I'm not going to put a bunch of stickers because I actually utilize space. Sometimes I'll put stickers in. I can put like a small sticker here in the corner or something. I don't know why. Look at that. Does that not remind you of London? I don't know why it does. I don't know why. But like, that screams like Scotland and England. Oh, I miss it so much, guys. I miss just, well, I was gonna say I miss traveling. I know I just told you guys about the trip that I took, but I swear I don't travel at all since having kids, so that trip was an anomaly. It was the first time without kids, but I mean, obviously when the kids get a little older, they're only 3 and 1 right now, so there will be trips in the future, and I have to be okay with that. These are so pretty. I don't know exactly what I would use them for, because in my dailies, I always use these Randy Dot Plans stickers. I bought the whole year from her, and I love them because they're so minimalist and cute. So I don't really need them, but maybe in like a prayer journal or somewhere else. That's kind of what I'm thinking. Like, I can't decide if I want to do a separate prayer journal or prayer journal in this same book, because obviously I have a ton of pages. Like, I could, but I don't know if it's something I want to do separately, or I don't know. My fountain pen exploded. I think I went over that in another video. My fountain pen exploded all over, so I'm just trying to ignore it, and just think like, okay, that adds to the character of my planner, right? It's holding up very, very well, and I love it. So I know this was a super random video. I don't know what I'm gonna use these vellums for. And I'm still looking for a clear vinyl. Once I find a clear vinyl, I'm going to put this little July sticker in there. And then I was thinking what I could do is use this in that vinyl something. I don't know. I'm just playing around because that's my hobby, okay? That's what I like to do in my free time. And it helps me kind of get rid of some of my anxieties and all that. So these are so pretty. I'm obsessed. Yeah, I don't know. Give me your thoughts below. Should I put a prayer journal? Should I continue my prayer journal in here? Should I have it separate? Do you want to see that setup? I don't know. Let me know. And yeah, now I'm just rambling, so I guess I'll see you guys next time. Comment, subscribe, like the video, and yeah. Okay, bye.